As the administrator of your company's card program, it's not easy to focus on strategic objectives like savings when your day-to-day management tasks are always getting in the way. That's why we've designed American Express at Work to be your single online portal for actionable reporting and efficient program management of your American Express corporate card program, in and out of the office. Customizable reporting tools deliver data for insightful analyses in an intuitive format to help you make the right decisions quickly and confidently. Use powerful views of your program data to identify potential savings opportunities, which can help you in negotiations with suppliers. Track your policies online to help leverage those supplier agreements and help prevent inappropriate spending. And those day-to-day activities that always take precedence? As your program's online command center, At Work provides the visibility and control features to help you better manage your program. Access interactive dashboards to view your overall spend or identify delinquent accounts, then direct new employees to apply for cards online, and cancel a card immediately due to questionable activity after checking your exposure in real time. Insightful, actionable, efficient. At Work is your one-stop reporting and management portal from American Express, on your side to help you grow.